What's going on, world? This is Brian back with another video about making some money. All right, this one is a cashback app called Dosh. Dosh is a pretty popular cashback app. I used to use it last year for the referral program. It was a big hit online. Made a few bucks with the referral program. So all you do, you download the app. If you want to use it for cashback, you turn on your location and it will search nearby retailers that give you cash back for shopping. As you see there, those are the retailers that are near me. And you can also shop online and get cash back as well. All right, so that's how the app works. You sign up, you download the app, and you link a debit card that you would spend at these stores. Now for the referral program, it changes from month to month. It's normally $5 per referral. All the referral has to do is sign up with your link and then link a card. This time for November until the 21st, you get $10 for each referral that signs up and links a card. Ends on the 21st of November at lunchtime, Central Standard Time. All right? Let's see. Let's see here. I made some money with this last year. And to cash out, that's what I was able to do with it last year. It's a few bucks. It's pretty easy too. You see there, you need to make, let's see. You need to have $25 before you can cash out to your linked account. So with $10 for each referral, you just need 3 referrals. So you should be able to do that before the 21st. And I'm going to leave the link in the description as well as in the comment section. I'll pin it to the top of the comment section. So go ahead and get started and get you some extra holiday cash. All right, talk to you guys later.